Hello dear parents, did you know which is that best hour for the child or for any kind of communication? It is also called the magic hour or the golden hour. That is 1 hour before the child sleeps. Why? At that point of time, the child's brain, the subconscious mind, goes to theta mode, which is called the yes brain. That is a perfect time where you can bond and connect with your child. During that 1 hour, don't force your child to sleep fast or just get onto bed and just lie down. In fact, use that time to communicate, use that time to understand your child, use that time to talk about family, house, values, what is there in your child's mind, friends and family and everything. Use that 1 hour to chit chat and enjoy your complete day. That is how you will be able to connect with your child better. And that's the reason I always say pillow talks can make a tremendous difference in yours and your child's life. I understand during that time might be you're not interested in sleeping. It's absolutely fine. But just try to leave whatever you're doing. Just be there with your child and enjoy the moments. You will see a difference in your child and your bond with your child once you're doing for 21 days. Try it with yourself and enjoy this magical hour or golden hour. Happy parenting.